Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to see how we can convert our own photo into 3D cartoon using free AI tools. Okay, so for that first of all you have to go to the Google Chrome and here you have to search for Stylar AI. Okay, after that here you can see this is the first link, so just click on this particular link and make it open, and then you can see this type of user interface over here. So here you can see the options called as the start for free, right? So just click over here, then click on continue with Google, then get login with your Gmail ID, then click on continue. And after login, here you can see this type of pop-up over here you have to fill the form like I am a designer or you are a student, whatever you have to fill this. Then you have to select I generally work on anyone. From here you can select, then I here styler from YouTube. Okay, then click on start creating. After that you can see this type of user interface over here. So in the top we have the options called as the new project, right? So just click over here, then select the image that you want to convert into the cartoon, then click on open. And here you can see we have successfully uploaded that image into this particular canvas area. Okay, then after uploading your image, just click on this image to image, then click on no style and scroll down, and in the below part you can see a options called as the innocent cutie. Okay, so just click over here, then click on auto prompt, and then it will write a prompt for you to change your image into the avatar. Okay, then scroll down and in the below part we can see a option called as the stylize, right? So just click over here, and then it will give you 4 different results for your image. Okay, and then as for your suitability you can select anyone from here. So I'm selecting this one. After selecting, just click on this place on canvas. Alright, then click on this export button and export this particular image. Alright, and now here you can see we have successfully exported that image into our system, right? Then our next requirement is you have to go to the face swap AI. Then you have to click on this first link, that is face swap online free, and then it will take you to this particular web page where you can see we have two options to upload our image. Okay, so in place of this we have to upload our original image, and here we have to upload our downloaded image that we have converted recently and downloaded into our system, right? So just click over here, then go to the download, and here you can see this is the downloaded image that has been converted by AI, right? So just click here, then click on open. Then here you have to again click, then go to the desktop, and this is the original image, right? So just click over here, then click on open, and after that you have to click on this swap image. Now here you can see we have successfully converted our own image into the cartoon image by the help of these two free AI tools, that is stylar.ai and remaker.ai, right? Then if you want to download this particular image, then you can click over here and you can easily download that particular cartoon image. Okay, so in this way we can easily convert our own image into the cartoon image with free AI tools. Alright, so thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.